It is the signature of freshness, the bloom, a natural wax shield protecting the world's most tech-driven fruit.
In these fields, harvesting isn't just picking. It's a high-frequency mechanical symphony.
2,000 vibrations per minute. This is precision harvesting. Only the fruit with the weakest stem attachment, the ripest ones, will fall.
Welcome to Harvest Motion. Today, we track the journey of the blueberry from the vibrating bush to the AI-driven factory.
Immediate transit. To prevent bruising, the berries land on soft, food-grade rubber catch pans before being whisked away.
Pneumatic pre-cleaning. Before leaving the field, 90% of organic debris is removed by high-velocity airflow.
The race against heat. Blueberries must be cooled to 2 degrees Celsius within 4 hours of harvest to stop the ripening process. Hydro-cooling. Berries are showered with ice-cold, sanitized water to strip away field heat instantly.
Entering the AI matrix. This is where 2,000 berries per second are analyzed for perfection.
Free fall analysis. The berries are launched into the air so cameras can inspect every millimeter of their surface. Beyond human vision. Hyperspectral sensors see internal bruising and moisture content invisible to the eye. Precision ejection. Compressed air valves fire with millisecond accuracy, removing defects without touching the good fruit. Data-driven harvest. The AI tracks the percentage of grade A fruit, adjusting the air jet pressure in real time.
Mechanical calibration. Berries are sorted into jumbo, large, and standard categories based on diameter.
The film overwrap machine, applying a breathable seal to the pallets.
Deep stabilization. High-pressure fans pull chilled air through the vents of the clamshells to maintain the 2 degrees Celsius core.
Anthocyanin extraction. This pigment is a powerful antioxidant, harvested for the pharmaceutical industry.
Molecular preservation. Whole berries are frozen at 50 degrees Celsius to create crunchy blueberries with 100% nutrient retention.
Sustaining precision. Even a single speck of juice on a camera lens can cause the AI to misidentify a berry.
The factory's water treatment system, reclaiming 90% of the hydrocooler water.
Consistent 2 degrees Celsius.
Field maintenance. The fingers must be soft enough not to tear the skin, but firm enough to transmit the vibration.
The biological engine. Without millions of bees, there is no harvest. We manage the ecosystem as much as the machine.
Digital DNA. Every clamshell can be traced back to the exact acre and the hour it was picked.
The warehouse floor, where pallets are stacked in first in, first out order.
This chromatogram confirms the elevated ester profile in the blackberries.
Yes, the GCMS data correlates perfectly with the sensory results.